In this video, we will cover reading, summary, explanation, and word meaning. The Spinning Sage. The Spinning Sage is a poem written by William Thackeray. This is a humorous poem which revolves around a foolish act done by a sage. A sage means a wise person, a very wise person. Throughout the poem, the poet laughs at this wise man who does not have any practical knowledge but uses his theoretical knowledge and does foolish things. In this poem, the sage tries to change his pigtail's place and move it in front of his head, and he thinks if he turn around and this pigtail would also turn and come in front of his head, which is extremely funny. Now let us read the poem. There lived a sage in days of old, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wandered much and sorrowed more, because it hung behind him. Sage means a very wise person. In days of old, long ago. Pigtail, hair tied together into a bunch. Hair tied together into a bunch and twisted into plaits. There lived a sage in the past. There lived a sage in the days of old. There lived a sage in the past who had a beautiful pigtail, but wandered much and sorrowed more, because it hung behind him. But he was much surprised, and he was very disappointed, because it was hanging behind his head, because the pigtail was hanging behind his head. So he was very disappointed, so he was very surprised. He mused upon the curious case, and so he would change the pigtail's place and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. Here he mused. Mused means thinking carefully. Curious, strange, and unusual. Sure means would, promise. Dangling means hanging or swinging freely. He mused upon his curious case. He thought carefully. Mused means thought carefully. He thought carefully upon this strange case. He was very careful about this strange pigtail, and so he would change the pigtail's place, and he promised himself he would change the pigtail's place, because he was not happy as it is hanging behind his head, and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. Means to say, he wanted that his pigtail should be in front of his face. So he did not wish for hanging freely behind his head. Says he, the mystery I have found, I will turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. Mystery, secret, something that is difficult to understand. In this stanza, the poet says that the sage got the secret. The sage comes to know about the secret. So he decided to turn round and round. Continuously he was turning, but still the pigtail was at its place. It was hanging behind his head. Then round and round, and out and in, All day the puzzled sage did spin. In vain it mattered not a pin, the pigtail hung behind him. Mattered not a pin, mattered not a pin means made no difference. In this stanza, the sage turned round and round, he went out and he came in. The whole day he was puzzled, he was confused, and moves round and round. But all in vain means everything was wasted. His efforts were useless because there was no difference in his pigtail. Still, the pigtail behind him, behind the head, and right and left, and round about, and up and down, and in and out. He turned, but still the pigtail stout hung steadily behind him. Stout means strong and thick. In this stanza, the sage turns in different direction. He turns right and left and out and in, creating a humorous picture of a wise old man who is struggling hard to turn in different ways, even though he does this entire day. He does this whole day, but it does not change a bit. It still hangs freely behind his sage's head, behind his head. And though his efforts never slack, and though he twist and twirl and tack, alas, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. Slack means without attention and energy. Twist, turn the body quickly and change direction. Twirl means move round and round. Tack, move in a zigzag way. Faithful means here staying with. In last stanza, all his efforts were full of energy. He did all his efforts as twirl, twist and take the pigtail. But alas, still faithful to him back. Still the pigtail hanging behind his head. He did not come in front of his face. The pigtail did not come in front of his face. So, throughout the poem, poet brings out humorous and at the same time he attacks well-educated pupil who does not have practical common sense. William Thackeray reveals clearly the vague efforts of the so-called sages, bringing out humor and also invited his readers to be alert and thoughtful and act in a beautiful manner. Thanks.